I'm excited to bring on my guest today, the head of communications, Shira Zackai. You have had a plethora of partnerships pop to the forefront of late. But before we dive into your relentless innovation and all the people and companies that you're working with and the enhanced, improved nutritional profiles, I want to get to the question on everyone's mind. When will we have price parity?
So, we talk a lot about that, and, we really believe that in order to get people to truly shift, from animal protein to plant-based meat, we need to do really three things. We need to really focus on the taste. Our products need to taste identical to animal meat. So we keep, to your point, we keep kind of improving upon the taste with each and every iteration of our product. We also need to continue to reinforce the health attributes of our product. So we're doing that with each and every iteration as well. We just came out with our newest Beyond Burger right before the summer. It has really strong nutritional, 35% less saturated fat, 35% less overall fat, fewer calories than 80/20 beef. And just more iron and lots more kind of nutritional benefits. And then the third is price. We are working on that, and we've actually made a commitment to have one product in one category that's either priced at parity with its animal meat equivalent, or even below by 2024. So that's our goal, and we're really excited to move that forward.